Are you always thirsty? Well, we got something for you. It's the all-new Slurpee Selector. Now you might be asking, what is the Slurpee Selector? It's basically a cup, and you type in a flavor, and inside the cup, that flavor of Slurpee fills up, and you drink it from there. Now you may be wondering where to get this, but it's only found in Taco Bell. It's only $19.99 because $20 is so expensive. Now let's see what our customers think of the Slurpee Selector. Now what do you think of the new Slurpee Selector? It's amazing, I've never seen anything like it. Now what do you think of the new Slurpee Selector? It's much better than me. Go buy it. So many customers are satisfied with the Slurpee Selector, and that can be you. But other than that, I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go on the Slurpee Selector. It's only $19.99. You can put a Taco Bell. Bye! If you buy one now, then you can get the next one for free.
Includes ice shavings and syrup flavoring. May cause extreme drowsiness or hyperness depending on your selected flavor. Also, if you have tongue swelling, please notify your doctor ASAP. May cause extreme thirstiness.